Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. As you could tell by the title, we are doing a what I eat in a day, my favorite videos to film. I'm super excited for breakfast because I think it was on TikTok or Instagram, I'm not even sure, these like shredded eggs on avocado toast, and I'm like, whoa, why haven't I thought about this? So I'm gonna try it out. I feel like it's gonna be like light and fluffy, so hopefully that's what it gives, you know what I mean? I went on the scale this morning and I lost 3 pounds, guys. I was like, it's been so long since I stepped on the scale and saw it actually going down. So I was literally so happy. That's such a victory for me, and I'm so happy to see that like my work is paying off. But I started my journey like 3 weeks ago, so I'm gonna chop it up to like 1 pound a week, and I'm not mad at it, okay? If you're new to my channel, make sure you press that subscribe button down below. Subscribe, join the family. I'd love to have you. And yeah, let's get into breakfast. So I'm gonna use these Bowl and Basket light English muffins, and they're 90 calories for one. So I'm gonna toast that up and put my avocado on, shred my eggs. I think I might add Parmesan on top. And we're gonna do what it do. So it's all done, and now it's time for the taste test, which I'm kind of nervous about. Which one do I want to go first? We'll do this one first. All right, let's see what this tastes like. Make sure I get some cheese in there. I don't know how to explain it. It's just really good. I don't know how to explain it. Like, how do I explain this taste? I don't know. I guess it tastes like I don't know. It just tastes good. Whoever came up with this method knows what they're doing because it's really good. I don't know what texture I could compare it to, but I would just have to say try it for yourself and see, because it's good. It's good. It's literally my new favorite. A part of me wants to add like bacon crumbles on top, but like real bacon crumbles, not like that fake stuff, or like sausage crumbles on top. I feel like that would be really good. And another thing I would try to do, which I'm gonna try next time I make this, I'm going to, when I toast the English muffin, I want to add the cheese on top so the cheese could melt on the English muffin, then add the avocado, then the eggs, maybe the bacon crumbles. I feel like that would be really good as well. I would definitely recommend trying to make this shredded avocado toast, shredded egg avocado toast. It was really good. It was pretty easy to make and pretty fast. That was today's breakfast. I'm about to go. What am I about to do? I don't even know. It's a snow day today, guys. It's snowing like crazy outside. Let me see if I can show you. You kind of see. This is the back. It's like, what? Why? I was supposed to go to the gym this morning and I skipped it. I'm not even gonna lie, because of the snow. I don't like the snow. I literally woke up and I was ready. Well, I wasn't ready. I woke up and I was like about to like, you know, get ready to go, and I looked outside and I was like, yeah, going back to bed, no thanks. Like but I might actually do a home workout. I should do a home workout since I'm not going to the gym. We'll see what ends up happening, but I will see you guys for lunch. So it's time for lunch, and for lunch we're gonna make some Cajun shrimp on a Caesar salad. One of my favorites. It's so fast to make. One of the quickest proteins you could get to cook is shrimp. Shrimp literally takes like 5 minutes to cook. So my shrimp is here and it's defrosted, and I'm just going to add my seasonings on it and cook it, and then we're gonna make the salad, and that's it. It's literally so fast. So let's get started. So we have our shrimp, and I'm going to show you guys what seasonings I'm going to use. Tony's Creole seasoning, Seafood Spectacular. This is actually from TJ Maxx, and it's really good. Garlic powder, Creole seasoning, Old Bay blackened, and Kinder's, which is almost done. But let's get it started. And I'm actually gonna use avocado oil to spray the shrimp. So first I'm just gonna spray it a little bit. And I'm adding my Creole seasoning, my Tony's. Next is my Seafood Spectacular. Then some garlic powder. A lot of garlic powder. Some Cajun Creole seasoning. Some Old Bay. And some Kinders. And I just mix them all together. Make sure all the shrimp is coated. All the shrimp is coated in seasoning. And I'm about to cook it up. Cooking the shrimp probably is gonna take 6 minutes. It's not gonna take long at all. Spray in the pan and I'm putting my shrimp on. So my shrimp is all done. Now I'm gonna start with the salad. So I'm actually gonna use this light Caesar salad kit. Don't really care for the lettuce, but I love the dressing that's inside of here. The whole package with the lettuce, with the dressing, with the crouton is 300 calories for everything. I usually use like this lettuce with a mix of like another lettuce that I usually get. But I have no more of that lettuce. But we're gonna make it work. I'll probably just use this. And we'll see what happens. So this is the croutons and the dressing. I'm really picky with my Caesar dressing, and a lot of the Caesar dressings in the store that are like, you know, like low calorie, low fat, I don't like them. Like I really don't, but I really like this one. So I'm gonna wash my lettuce up. Get that water out. So I have my lettuce in here. I'm gonna add the Caesar dressing and toss it and just mix it thoroughly. I'm gonna add some this Parmesan, the same Parmesan I used for breakfast. Now the croutons. Now our salad is all done. I'm just gonna top it off with Parmesan cheese. Does that salad not just look delicious? I'm so excited to taste it. A bite with everything on it. Some Parmesan, some lettuce. Oh, I need a crouton. It's good. This is really delicious. It's a huge salad. Like, I don't think you guys understand how big this bowl is. Like, 2 of my hands fit under here. Like, it's a really big salad. And it tastes really good. The shrimp is actually 80 calories for 4. And I put 12 on top of the salad. So that's like, what's 80 times 3? 240? 240. 240 calories just for the shrimp. And then the salad is 300 calories. And then for the Parmesan cheese, I used about 60 calories worth. So it's not that bad at all, and it's a really filling lunch. One of my favorite things to make, honestly, for lunch, I'm usually having a salad, a sandwich, a wrap, something within those lines, something that's really quick because I don't got time. And second, I like to have something really light so that I don't feel weighed down, because I get the itis, like I'm gonna go to sleep, like, you know what I mean? And I usually work out later towards the day, so I usually try to have like a lighter lunch so that, you know, I'm gonna be able to move. You feel it? You know what I mean? But I highly recommend making this. I like to make this with like shrimp, crispy chicken, and grilled chicken. With the crispy chicken, chef's kiss. I try not to make that one too much. I do salmon, I do steak. Literally, I'll throw anything on it. Or I'll do like any salad with like feta. Honestly, whatever I have, I try to make. But I'm about to go devour this because it's honestly amazing. And stay tuned for dinner. We're back for dinner, and in light of Super Bowl weekend, we're making wings today. Some teriyaki wings at that. They are literally my favorites. Like, I'm literally obsessed with them. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, I'm obsessed with these teriyaki wings. But let's get started. I think I'm gonna eat them with just some like hand-cut potatoes. Hand-cut fries. And chicken wings here. These are the Trader Joe's like frozen chicken wings that they have, you know what I mean? I let them defrost and I cleaned them, so now we are going to marinate them. So for the seasonings, it's pretty much what I usually use. But we got some garlic powder, some dash, some onion powder, garlic and herb, and some Kingsford Original, and some olive oil just to spritz the chicken. Going in with the Kingsford seasoning. Now we're gonna go with the organic garlic and herb. I like this. Some onion powder. It's organic too, actually. I didn't even know. Mustache. And garlic powder. So that chicken is all marinated, and I'm gonna add that into my air fryer. And I also have some potatoes here that I peeled and cut them into like, you know, little fry pieces. So my chicken's all marinated. I added some salt and garlic to the fries, and I'm just gonna add them both into the air fryer. And I'm gonna add the sauce. I'm gonna show you what sauce I'm gonna use now, actually. So when I first made these teriyaki wings, I originally got this. This is the G.G. Hughes sugar-free teriyaki sauce, but I did not like it at all. Like, the macros are great, literally 5 calories, 1 grams of carbs. Like, it's really good, but the taste is just not good to me. And I'm so sad about it because I really, really wanted to love it, but it's whatever. This is the teriyaki sauce that I use, and I'm obsessed with it. I feel like it's really good, and it's actually from Kinder's. I found it at Costco, teriyaki sauce, and it's 25 calories for a tablespoon, 6 grams of carbs. So, you know, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. You use 4 tablespoons, it's like 100 calories. You can make it work, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is the teriyaki sauce that we're gonna use today. Kinder's teriyaki, and here's the macros. But I mean, still give this a try. Maybe my taste buds are just off, I don't know. But like I said, I was not a fan of this, but the macros are really, really good. So I really, really wanted to love it. Like, I really wanted to love this, but you know what, actually, I'm not gonna do it today because I don't want to mess up my wings. But one day I might actually, maybe I'll use like a little, maybe like half and half of like the one I like, and maybe this one will overpower this, you know what I mean? I don't know. I will have to test it out and see, because then that could also bring the macros down. I'm gonna throw this in the air fryer. I just took the wings out of the air fryer. About to put some teriyaki sauce on them. Tell me these don't look delicious. Wings is like one of my top 5 favorite foods, not gonna lie. So now that the wings are all done cooking, I'm gonna add the sauce. And I'm actually gonna use my scale, because when I use sauces, I like to track how many grams I'm using, because it's really easy to go overboard. I'm just gonna go with my serving. So now I'm just gonna add my sauce. Let's see. So that's 1 serving, 17 grams. So I toss it just so that all of them could be coated with the teriyaki sauce. Now I'm just gonna put it back in the air fryer for like 1 minute so it could like caramelize. And I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. And I just got the fries out and show you. Here's the fries. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to show you guys the finished product because my camera is dying. Literally, battery's on 0. Oh my gosh. I'll show you guys the finished product. So my dinner is all done. These wings look so good, and the fries are so crispy. You guys don't understand, like, these wings are literally my favorite thing in the whole wide world. So I'm super excited. Let's do a quick taste test before my camera dies. And the wings. It's so good. That sauce. Yeah, so that's the end of my video, I guess. Let's eat this. Watch the Super Bowl, even though it's like halfway through. I'm kind of late, but whatever. And definitely catch up on Euphoria because a new episode came out today. So I'm super, super excited about that. So that's actually what I'm about to do. Let's eat this and watch that episode. But yeah, that's the end of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.